Have you ever had the feeling that something grand is about to happen in your life, as if the universe is aligning everything perfectly for your story to change forever? In this video, we will explore the 10 signs that indicate the universe is about to transform your reality. Before diving into the topic, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so that more people can benefit from this transformative information. Leave a comment below expressing your gratitude to God, and let these words resonate, infinitely attracting everything you desire. Let us together elevate our vibrations and manifest a new reality. Many spiritual seekers have been investigating the idea of ascending to a higher state of consciousness in the fifth dimension, which transcends our everyday three-dimensional experiences. Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist, dedicated her life to exploring the mysteries of the human mind and the nature of reality through methods like past life regression and hypnotherapy, offering deep insights into this realm. According to Dolores Cannon, the fifth dimension is often referred to as the New Earth or New Age. It represents a higher vibrational state beyond the limitations of common three-dimensional reality. In this dimension, values like love, unity, and spiritual growth are fundamental. Unlike the third dimension, where fear, ego, and separation prevail, harmony, compassion, and interconnectedness reign in the fifth dimension. Earth is preparing for a significant dimensional shift. We are in a unique moment where we can simultaneously perceive both dimensions, making it essential to understand the importance of this event. This period offers a unique opportunity for individuals to transition to a higher state of consciousness along with the planet. During this transition, it is crucial to be aware of daily choices between love and compassion or fear and greed. If you see these 10 signs I will discuss, the universe is about to change your story in profound and transformative ways. These signs are indicators that you are in tune with the higher vibrations of the fifth dimension, a state of consciousness where reality is perceived in a more interconnected, harmonious, and spiritually enriching way. By identifying and recognizing these signs, you open yourself to a flow of positive energy and significant changes that can redefine your life trajectory. The first sign is embracing unity consciousness and heart-centered living. In the fifth dimension, there is a profound transformation in the perception of the world where separation disappears and gives way to interconnectedness and unconditional love. Compassion becomes natural, allowing empathy and support without judgment. Living with heart-centered consciousness means our actions and decisions are guided by love and compassion, creating an atmosphere of harmony and spiritual growth for both ourselves and those around us. The second sign is an increase in spiritual awareness and enhanced psychic abilities. In this dimension, consciousness expands beyond the limits of the third dimension, increasing intuitive abilities such as clairvoyance and telepathy. Intense and symbolic dreams provide spiritual guidance, connecting you with your higher self and significant insights. You may perceive a greater sensitivity to energies around you and an ease in picking up thoughts and feelings from others, facilitating deeper and more spiritual communication and understanding. The third sign is a shift in life priorities and living in joy. As you begin to ascend to the fifth dimension, your values change to include meaningful experiences and collective well-being. Happiness no longer depends on external circumstances, but is a constant internal state. You start to find joy in small things, genuine connections with others, and acts of kindness and empathy. This constant state of joy elevates your vibrations, attracting more positive and meaningful experiences into your life. The fourth sign is deep healing and transcending fear and judgment. Healing encompasses all aspects of existence, releasing past traumas and limiting beliefs. As you elevate to the fifth dimension, fear and judgment lose their hold on you, being replaced by love and understanding. This healing process is fundamental to spiritual and personal growth, allowing you to break free from negative patterns and embrace a state of inner peace and acceptance. The fifth sign is experiencing timelessness and synchronicities. In the fifth dimension, the perception of time becomes fluid, with past, present, and future interconnecting harmoniously. Frequent synchronicities begin to occur, indicating that the universe is supporting your spiritual journey. These synchronicities can manifest as significant encounters or events that seem coincidental but carry deep meaning and guidance, showing you are on the right path. The sixth sign is awareness of multidimensional existence and a deepened connection with nature. Your consciousness expands beyond the physical, allowing experiences in other dimensions and a profound bond with nature. This connection with the natural environment nourishes spiritually, reflecting the interconnectedness of all life. Spending time in nature becomes a deeply restorative and revealing experience, helping to align your energies with those of the planet and the cosmos. The seventh sign is embracing unconditional love. Pure and unconditional love transcends the ego and expectations. It heals, unites, and respects each soul's unique journey. This type of love transforms relationships and promotes inner peace, aligning with the true nature and purpose of life in the fifth dimension. By cultivating and practicing unconditional love, you align with the universe's highest vibrations, attracting experiences of love and harmony in all aspects of your life. The 8th sign is developing advanced manifestation abilities. In the 5th dimension, positive thoughts and intentions manifest quickly due to mental clarity and spiritual alignment. With this increased responsibility, it is crucial to focus on positivity to create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Your co-creation abilities with the universe become more powerful, allowing you to materialize your desires with greater ease and speed, as long as they are aligned with your highest good. The 9th sign is detaching from drama. The ability to detach from drama and conflict brings inner peace. Conflicts are approached with compassion and peaceful resolutions, allowing focus on personal growth and avoiding unnecessary suffering. This detachment means you no longer engage in negativity or low vibration situations, keeping your focus on your own growth and well-being, as well as harmony and peace around you. The 10th sign is embracing authenticity and self-expression. Living aligned with your true self, you express yourself without fear of judgment. This authenticity promotes genuine and meaningful relationships and creative projects, contributing to a more harmonious and diverse world. When you live authentically, you not only attract people and experiences that resonate with your true essence, but also inspire others to do the same, creating a network of positive energy and mutual support. By embracing the transformative aspects of the 5th dimension, remember that it is a personal and unique journey. Trust the process, be open to change, and align with love, unity, and spiritual growth to enrich your life and contribute to collective ascension. The universe supports your journey towards your maximum potential. Stay connected to your inner wisdom and follow your heart. Prepare for a more meaningful existence in the 5th dimension. If you want to continue on this transformative journey, subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Together we can elevate our vibrations and create a new reality of love and unity. Thank the universe for this opportunity and let this gratitude echo, bringing abundance and fulfillment to your life. Thanks for watching.